Jay on the beat.
What's poppin', beautiful people? How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today, man. I'm back with the vlogs, man. I'm back with the car vlogs, bro. It is what it is. I took a break. I gave y'all some music. So if you didn't check it out, you need to go and check it out. Now I'm back with the car vlogs. I got a surprise for y'all, man. It's going down, man. I'm excited about this, man. Oh, it's been a dream and it came true. Yeah, so I told you I got a surprise for y'all. Remember I wanted to do a swap? It was either a swap or go a boost. Guess what I did? I'm gonna give you like 5 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what I did. Let's take a look. Let me just run this montage over this beautiful thing right here. So some of the stuff that I think I'm gonna change is the cast iron turbo manifold. I need a stainless steel, so I think that's what I'm gonna get first. I still need some more stuff. I still need a fuel pump, injectors, my gauges. And that should be fine. That should be fine to get it up and running. But today, I'm gonna attempt. I ain't never messed with this stuff before, so I'm gonna attempt to install the fuel pressure regulator. So, wish me luck on this. Help me, God, help me. I need some luck on that, boy. So, help me out. So, sad story, very sad. My window stopped working and I realized that I needed a new regulator. So I ordered the regulator, put my glass in, and it broke. Wow, it broke. So I just took the panel off. I'm gonna change the panel, get me a new window, and then we good again, man. We good. We gonna be good. That's that car life, man. Sometimes nothing goes right. Nothing. So, and any other car guy can attest to that. Sometimes nothing goes right, but we got some good times. So Lego, I'm gonna attempt to put this thing on and we see if it works. There you go. Yep, so here it goes. This is all the hardware that you will need. Bam, bam. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna mount this bracket to the regulator right here, and then I might have to figure out where to put it on the car. Use the ashy ends. Yeah, so I went ahead and mounted my regulator right here. I watched a couple installation videos and the best one that I saw was one from that guy called Sweet Meat. Yeah, so that's where he mounted his, so I decided to take that idea. Appreciate it, bro. So yeah, it worked perfect right here. So now I'm just gonna show y'all this piece right here. Take this regulator off, put this piece right here, and then we go from there. I'll show you what's up. I'm gonna need both hands to do this, so I'll be back. Okay, so now let me tell you exactly what to do. So you have this, the drain is gonna come from right there, fuel line right there goes to the drain right here, and then from the fuel rail you have that piece, this piece, and I took the old regulator off. There was a gasket right here. I put it right here in this piece. This piece goes right here. If you ain't know, this piece goes right here, and then a line from here goes to the back of the pressure regulator, and then should be good from there. Alright, so I need both hands, so I'm gonna go and hook it up and then show y'all what I did. Okay, so just hooked it up. So as I said before, I use this hole right here. Got a bolt for it. I had to run to True Value to get a bolt for it. The line from the intake right here goes to the side right here. The fuel rail line goes to the back of the regulator, and then the drain goes. The drain is coming, as I showed you before, coming from here. See that line right across to the bottom of it. So now I'm gonna turn the car on. I can't start the car right now because my wife's sleeping. Just got home from work, and she would kill me if I do that. I don't want that. So right now I'm gonna go see if, because even if I turn the car on, should have fuel pressure. I can't adjust it yet because I want to adjust it when the car is on. So I'm trying to adjust it to like 40, where this is how you adjust it. Right here, pull this nut and you move back and forth. But for now, I'm gonna just keep it tight and see if I have any fuel pressure. Oh, I forgot one thing. When I was installing, I opened this cap because I didn't want no pressure. So now I'm gonna close it up, and then we go test. And yep, we have fuel pressure. It is low. It's at 40 right now. Let me see if I can adjust it while the car is off. I'm not sure. Sorry for the fan noise. My fan is hooked up directly, so it's always on. And I guess I gotta turn the car on where it's pumping hard, so that's what I'm gonna do. So later I adjust it. So that is the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna do some more stuff. That's one of my tracks playing. Yeah. In our life, it's hard, we keep holding on. So that's it for today, guys. More coming. We gonna get this thing boosted. We out. I'll be the best I can be. Let you take my energy. I'm gonna be proud of me. I ain't got it right now, but I know that